Up next, the mango bird.
Discovery Channel presents
One of the most dangerous species of all. The mango bird. The world's most dangerous house bird. It comes in your house very sneakily. Watch. As we did on video tape. The mango bird walks through your house. Disguised. No, it doesn't like the smell of bathrooms. Smelling shoes. The mango birds could also jump really high, and they can go through alarms.
extremely high.
Watch it eat food as it eats. And finishes your plates that easily.
Go.
The roost little boy is especially waiting for their slumber party. Watch as it sneaks. Mango birds are very sneaky.
Mango birds are very sneaky.
Walking for the prey.
Walking for the prey.
While they're asleep, closing in for the prey.
Closing in for the prey.
It even unzipped his pants.
With slow motion capabilities, they can hover and fly for such a long amount of time, landing on the table. With slow motion capabilities, it goes back for its prey,
Humping in the air.
humping in the air. No.
Eats its prey after he eats the child.
Eats the prey after eating the child.
Billy, Birdie, Billy, you son of a. I'm gonna get you. Watch as the mango bird gets away fast.
The mango bird flies fast. Go, he's going. And he goes away fast into the wilderness, never to be seen again.
And that is our story about the mango bird. Watch out, your son is next.